Hi friends, how are you? I hope everyone is well. So guys, I was going through some aircraft specs and out of curiosity, I thought I should find about these aircrafts. I was going through military aircraft, so I thought I'll make a video wherein I'll tell you the top 10 list of military aircraft, transport military aircrafts, which are used worldwide. So before starting, let me introduce. Hi guys, my name is Amit Malik and I'm an Air Force pilot, and in this video I'll tell you about top 10 military aircrafts which are right now running in the world. We will not be discussing about the aircrafts which are either under construction or which are phased out. So guys, please do watch this video till the end and do like and subscribe. So let's start our list with number 10. At number 10, we have Embraer C390 Millennium aircraft, the biggest aircraft produced by Embraer. It has got a length of 33.5 meter, or we can say 110 feet, a wingspan of 111.3 feet or 33.9 meter. It has got an overall weight of 26,000 kg and it can carry a payload up to 29 tons. Guys, this is a medium-sized twin-engine jet-powered military aircraft and it can carry out various operations. It can carry out operations like troop insertion, VIP, cargo transportations, para-dropping, etc. It has got a maximum capacity of 29 tons and it can carry out all other operations whatever we can think of in terms of military aircraft operations. At number 9, we have Shenzhai Y9 aircraft produced by China, having a length of 118 feet or you can say 36 meter. It has got a wingspan of 131 feet and it weighs about 39,000 kg. It has got a payload capacity of 30 tons. It was designed for 25 tons of cargo, but it has been heard that it carries 30 tons of payload. It can carry 106 passengers or it can carry 132 paratroopers, 72 stretchers, and it can carry out various military operations and can carry various military equipments. It has got a max speed of 650 km per hour and supposed to be a good aircraft which is giving China a good amount of aerial control. At number 8, we have Airbus A400M produced by Airbus. It's a 4-engine turboprop aircraft, a military transport aircraft which can carry 37 tons of payload across 2000 nautical miles. Guys, it has got a length of 147 feet or 45 meter, a wingspan of 138 feet or 42 meter. It weighs about 76,500 kg and it can carry 6 Land Rovers and can perform area refueling, passenger transport, and when fitted with different kind of equipments, a pellet system, it can perform various operations. It has got a cruise speed of 780 km per hour and has got a range of 4,100 nautical miles. At number 7, we have Kawasaki C2, aircraft produced by Japan. It is an aircraft having a length of 144 feet or say 44 meter, wingspan of 145 feet. This aircraft weighs about 60,800 kg. This aircraft looks like C-17 and it can carry a weight of 37.6 tons. It can carry 120 troops or 110 soldiers with full equipment with full load. It can carry YH-60J helicopters also, and this aircraft is used for transportation among different places at long distances. It has got a maximum speed of 890 km per hour. This is the biggest aircraft produced by Kawasaki. At number 6, we have IL-76. It's a 4-engine turbofan aircraft produced by Mighty Russia and it has been the backbone of India for very long. This aircraft has a length of 154 feet and a wingspan of 164 feet and weighs about 72,000 kg. It has got a payload capacity of 50 tons and it delivers heavy loads and works as a horse. This aircraft is a long-bodied aircraft and can carry 225 troopers and it is widely used in Africa, Asia, Australia. It can carry wheeled or tracked armored vehicles and got a range of 7,300 km. It has got a maximum speed of 850 km per hour and it is still going good with India. At number 5, we have Jian Y-20 aircraft developed by China and aircraft which again looks like C-17 aircraft. This aircraft has got a length of 154 feet or you can say 47 meter, a wingspan of 147 feet, 45 meter, and it weighs about 100,000 kg. It has got a payload capacity of 66 tons and it can carry large combat vehicles and anti-aircraft batteries, tanks, troops, paratroopers. This aircraft has reached till Australia, Africa and Antarctica. This aircraft is a strategic airlifter. It has got a range of 4,500 km with full load. It has got a max speed of 750 to 800 km per hour and this aircraft has been the backbone of China. At number 4, we have C-17 Globemaster. C-17 Globemaster is developed for US Air Force. It's a wide-bodied aircraft having a length of 174 feet or we say 53 meter, having a wingspan of 171 feet and it weighs about 128,100 kg. This aircraft can carry payload up to 76.6 tons. This is a tactical and strategic aircraft. It can be used for airdropping, it can be used for medical evacs and for strategic and tactical missions. It has got a very good speed and can fly almost at a speed of 1000 km per hour. As said, this aircraft has got an unlimited range with in-flight refueling. This aircraft is right now no more under production but still it is serving the nation. At number 3, we have AN-22 Antonov 22 designed by Antonov in Soviet Union. This is powered by 4 turboprop engines and has contra-rotating propellers. It has got a length of 190 feet or say 58 meter, having a wingspan of 210 feet or 64 meter. It weighs about 114,000 kg and has got a payload capacity of 80 tons. It's a wide-bodied aircraft and it was widely used in Afghanistan to deliver various kind of military routes. This aircraft has got a maximum speed of 740 km per hour and a range of 5,225 km. This aircraft is used extensively for different kind of military operations. At number 2, we have C-5M Super Galaxy, the large military transport aircraft produced by Lockheed Martin for US Air Force. It has got a length of 248 feet or 75.5 meter, having a wingspan of 223 feet and it weighs about 172,000 kg. It has got a payload capacity of 130 tons. It is a strategic transport aircraft and carry oversized loads and carry almost anywhere on the globe. This aircraft has got a reach of anywhere at any place whatever we can name of. It can carry 6 Boeing Apache AH-64 attack helicopters and normally speaking it has got a top speed of 855 km and has got a range of 12,964 km. So it's a flying giant produced by US. At number 1, we have again mighty Russia with Antonov AN-124, also known as Condor, which was designed in 1980s, Ukrainian USSR at that point of time. This aircraft has got a length of 226 feet and a wingspan of 240 feet. It is a large military transport aircraft and has got a payload capacity of 150 tons. It has got a cargo hold and virtually can carry any type of load. It is used by military agencies for heavy and large cargo load transportations. It has got a cruise speed of 865 km per hour and has got a maximum range of 3,700 km with full load. So guys, this range changes as the load changes, and if we'll say with lesser load it can go up to a range of 12,000 kilometers. So guys, thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe, and if you want something else, please do let me know, anything interesting, and especially if I find it that I can do it pretty well for you guys, definitely I would do it. So guys, take care, bye bye, and Jai Hind.